Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide online status in Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like Live, Video, Go Live, Chats, and Me. Tap on Me, then navigate your way to Settings, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you're gonna see options like Privacy, Blocked List, etc. You're gonna have to select Privacy. Then under Privacy, the second option you'll find is Hide Your Online Status. Go ahead and turn that on, then you'll successfully hide your online status on Bigo Live. And guys, that's it. That's how you hide online status in Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.